YouTube, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my Microlocs. I know it's been a while and a lot has happened. I say this every single time. I know a lot of great things have happened, which I'll get into and probably in another video. I really wanted to do this video because I'm coming up on a year. Actually, this in a couple of days will be 1 year since I started my DIY Microlocs. So these are how they're looking so far. My hair in general at baseline is not like thick. I wouldn't say the strands are very fine. So I used to like see actually like holes that the light could go through. I don't know if anybody experiences that. If you do, let me know in the comments. That used to bother me so much. But I actually don't see that anymore. I'll come closer and show you what's going on with my hair. So majority of it is locked, not everywhere. The back definitely, the front not really, and then the ends not at all. I'm grabbing my phone because I have notes. So first thing is wash day. How often do I do it? So I wash still weekly. The longest that I do is 2 weeks, but pretty much very frequently. What I still use the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. I also have another shampoo that I use that is called Tropical Isle, I believe. I'll have like a picture of it or have the description in the description bar. I'm going to start using that more now that I'm approaching the year. I don't like the Suave Daily, to my understanding, was to help with your lock process. But at this point, I feel like my lock process is going how it's going, so I can transition to other shampoos. How long does it take? Literally 5-10 minutes. The other thing is I do not braid and band anymore. I stopped about a couple washes ago just because I felt like I was approaching the year. I always told myself I was only going to do it for a year no matter what anyways. The front, I just will be careful to pay attention if I have any slippage or anything like that. Before I stopped though, I would braid down and not have a band, but just kind of leave my ends out, and that kind of helped with like maintaining the curly look, because at that point I was purposely trying to do it. The daily maintenance that I do is different now as well. I still have the water with the rosemary oil spray. I also added some tea tree oil in it, and then the other thing is I use Jamaican black castor oil every day. So I know it's a very thick oil. Some people are very scared about like it, you know, clogging your pores, interfering with the lock process, but I feel comfortable doing it because I wash my hair so frequently anyways, and that gives me motivation to wash my hair frequently, so I'm going to continue with that. And I do have, you know, I put it on my edges. I'm having some rolls at my edges and things like that, so I do notice the difference, and the benefits are outweighing the negatives for me. I don't really stop my hair. When I will, I'll start coming on and showing you guys that, but I don't really do that now. And then reties, I go to a salon near me, and Comfort, she hooks it up for me. I pretty much go every 5 to 6 weeks or so, and it takes us about like 4 to 5 hours depending on the day. I have the same amount of Locs, I think. I'm gonna come on here and count with you guys, but mainly just wanted to show you what's going on here. Not made any major changes, but just wanted to show my hair, and I have more pictures that I'll add to the end of this video, just like the last one as well. This is the front right here. The front of my hair has always been such a slow grower. Like, I'll show you some problem lock areas too that I have. I don't know if you guys have this as well, but like a lot of my front edges are like very short, uneven, you know, like I have this like baby lock right here as well. Short, even, not the same as like the rest of my hair. So like, the rest of my hair is doing a lot better. Like down here, yep, and then here. I'm gonna go to the other side like before. Yes, I'm filming in my bathroom. This has the best lighting in the house at the time right now, so don't judge me. And then again, another shot of the back. Last thing I want to do, get up close and show you how my ends are looking. These are my ends right here. For me, I don't really see much length, but I definitely see the volume, so I'm hoping in the next year to come, that's when the length will come. But if you guys have any questions or anything I didn't go over, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I